welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full-on clean with me video because our weekend was crazy and we did not get the house clean like I wanted. So it's really driving me crazy. Also, you'll notice Christmas stuff is still up. It is coming down on Friday. It was supposed to come down this past weekend, but obviously it didn't because our cleaning didn't even happen. So I'm gonna work on cleaning the house and like deep cleaning. I'm gonna vacuum, sweep, and mop. And then I'm gonna scrub down everything like in the bathroom, like the countertops, everything like that. So it's gonna be a full on deep clean, but I'm not taking down the Christmas stuff until Friday. So I don't know if I'll show that in a vlog or not because I kind of feel like it's like past the point of taking down Christmas stuff. But I did want to address that in case you were wondering why the Christmas stuff was still up. I just wanted it up through January just to kind of like brighten my spirits. But now, today is January 31st, so technically we're still in January, but it was supposed to come down over the weekend and it just didn't happen. But I need James to help me like with the tree and stuff like that. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it all at the same time rather than taking bits and pieces, you know? I'm just gonna take it all down at the same time. So that is why Christmas stuff is still up. Don't worry, it will be coming down very soon. But for today, we have this to-do list. So on one side, I had all of my work-related tasks, which I'm not completely done with them, but the other things that I wanted to get done are just like, if I have time. But I really, really, really want to get this house clean. So we have laundry. I need to do like all the bedding, and then I also have a load of clothes that I need to do. We need to clean the kitchen, the living room, the bathrooms, the bedroom, and then I want to vacuum the whole house and then mop the areas that need to be mopped. So that is what is happening in this video, and I feel like I'm getting such a late start to this. It is 1 o'clock now, but I have been working on other things before this. I just didn't start the video because I want this to be more of like a clean with me but vlog style. So yeah, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna first start like with the bedding and get that thrown into the washing machine so that I can be doing its thing, and then we're just gonna take it room by room, and hopefully in a few hours the entire house will be beautiful again, because right now it's not that bad, but it definitely is in need of like wiping stuff down and dusting and all that stuff, you know, that you don't do every day, but like once a week, or maybe not. Sometimes it doesn't even happen once a week because this is real life here. But anyway, so I'm gonna set up the camera, take you guys along with me, and we're gonna get some cleaning. So I hope if you have a lot of cleaning to do today, this motivates you and helps you get in the right headspace for that. And if you want, just put this video on while you're cleaning and we can clean together. That would be awesome. So if you do that, let me know in the comments below. I think that would be so cool to like have you guys cleaning while I'm cleaning. You know, that would be a lot of fun. So anyway, let me know if that's what you're gonna do, but that's the plan. Let's go clean some stuff. So I decided to start off with the laundry. I wanted to clean my bedding, my sheets, everything like that. So I just went ahead, stripped the bed, and put all of that in the washing machine. I like to use this OxiClean whitening laundry detergent when I do my bedding, but I'm finding that my bedding it looks so grungy looking because it's white, and I've done like all the different things to keep it white, but I think it might be time to switch out the bedding and get like something that's not just white, you know? But anyway, I went ahead and put that in the washing machine so that way while I was cleaning it could do its thing, and then it'll be done by the time I'm done cleaning. And then I went and I wiped down all the surfaces in the bedroom. So we have a nightstand, a dresser, and then of course our like headboard for our bed. So I wiped everything down and like dusted it and everything because it had been a little bit of time since I had done this, so it was definitely time to do it and get it all nice and clean. So that is what we were doing here. So once I was done wiping everything down, I just went ahead and vacuumed our bedroom and made sure that it was nice and clean. Thankfully, our bedroom is not so, like, normally when the house gets messy, our bedroom's not that bad. So it's like, I usually start there because I know I can tackle something right off the bat, cross it off my list, and that just motivates me to keep going. So that's a tip I have for you. If you're feeling overwhelmed with your house, start with an area that is just going to be an easy check off, because once you get it done, you're going to feel really pumped and excited, and you're going to be able to just like keep plowing through your to-do list. So then I moved on to the living room. Again, the living room wasn't too bad. There was just some things to pick up. We kind of just live on this couch, and so every now and then I need to just like tidy it up and whatever. And then I again wiped down all the surfaces in the living room, and once I had that done, I just went and vacuumed the living room again. I love this vacuum, you guys. It just makes my life so much easier to have a nice cordless vacuum, and I just love it. So I'll have the one that I use linked in my Amazon storefront for you guys in case you guys are interested, but I absolutely love it. Worth every penny. It's amazing. So once I had everything in the living room wiped down and vacuumed, I moved into the kitchen where there were a lot of dishes. I feel like because I mainly stick to a paleo diet, we have to cook everything. And I feel like because of that, we always have dishes. I feel like the kitchen is constantly that area that just drives me crazy because there's always something in there to be cleaned, which I'm sure is the case for most people. But it just like drives me crazy. And I think because we have such a small kitchen too, it like makes it feel 10 times worse than it really is. But it is just that one area that just drives me crazy because I feel like I can never get it perfect. Like the minute I get it clean, I feel like we, use a bowl or a plate or a glass or something and it sits in the sink because the dishwasher's running, and it drives me crazy. Please tell me I'm not the only one. I'm just like, the kitchen, I just want it to be perfect, But the reality is like nothing's perfect, and this is real life, but it does kind of drive me crazy. So anyway, I'm doing all the dishes, like loading the dishwasher back up with all the dishes and, doing my thing. Sometimes I let the kitchen get a little bit more out of hand than it should, but I always just feel like there's this constant need to like do dishes or wipe down counters or whatever, because we spend a lot of time in the kitchen cooking, so it makes sense, but it also just like makes me want to scream sometimes. Let me know if you can relate to that, because I know I can't be the only one. Maybe I am, but like, let me know. Tell me I'm not alone. Make me feel better. So once I was done with all the dishes, I decided to move on and scrub down the stovetop. And as you can tell, it's like kind of stained and it looks gross. And that unfortunately was there when we bought the house. Like that, there's nothing I can do about it. I've tried to clean it. I've tried to scrub it. I don't know what else to do. So for the time being, it's there. I'm hoping that eventually we'll be able to buy all new appliances. We really want to get stainless steel appliances and just do a whole kitchen renovation. But I also want to be smart about it and not just like go spend a bunch of money that we don't have on this project. So I'm trying to learn patience and just be patient and take care of the kitchen that I have right now and plan for the one I want in the future. And I'm really excited about it. But like I said, it's going to be like in small chunks. Like we might paint first and then maybe bring in the appliances and then replace the sink, or, just small little things instead of doing it all at once. But yeah, anyway, I don't know why I felt the need to share that. It just always bothers me when I show things in this house that like were stained before we moved in, because it's like I have no control over that. Like I can't fix that unless we just replace everything, So I'm sure other people can relate, and it's totally okay. I'm grateful to have the space. So anyway, once I got finished with that, it was time to move the laundry over to the dryer, and now I'm putting a new load into the washing machine. It was just a super productive day where laundry is concerned. Well, actually, where cleaning is concerned, because you can see I'm doing a lot of cleaning in this video, so it was a very productive day. So once I had wiped down everything in the kitchen, I just went ahead and moved the chairs. I moved them into my office so that way I could just vacuum and I didn't have to like work around the chairs, you know. And then after I vacuumed the floor, I went ahead and mopped it because it had been a while since I had done that, and I like to try to do that every week, but sometimes it doesn't happen. So I wanted to make sure that I did it on this day just to make sure the floor was nice and clean and just fresh. So the last area of the house that I wanted to tackle was our bathroom. I feel like, again, like with the kitchen, the bathroom tends to get a little bit more messy than like other areas. I feel like other areas you can just pick stuff up, whereas like the bathroom and the kitchen, you have to scrub everything down. So it had been a little while, not like too long since I had scrubbed, but definitely it was in need of a deeper clean today. And normally I'll just kind of wipe stuff down and whatever, but on this day I definitely did more of a deep clean in the bathroom. However, I didn't film everything, so I only filmed wiping down the counters and the mirror. I didn't film cleaning the toilet because I kind of feel like that's weird to show on YouTube. I don't know, it's weird to me anyway. And then I also didn't show scrubbing the bathtub because I honestly don't remember why I didn't show that. I don't remember if my battery was running low or what the deal was, so I didn't show that, or sweeping and mopping the floors in there, but all of that did happen. And then finally, once I was done with all that, my laundry was done, so I was able to make my bed, and the feeling of fresh bedding is just so nice. So anyway, that was my cleaning day. Okay guys, we did it. We cleaned the whole house today. I'm so happy. It just feels so nice and clean in here, and I feel so much better about it. So I'm gonna wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean the whole house. Let me know if you cleaned today. I would love to know if you cleaned, and did we clean together? Let me know in the comments below. But that is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.